According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 422.31, a service disconnecting means shall be provided for each feeder supplying equipment covered in Article 422. This includes commercial cooking appliances like fryers. The service disconnecting means must be located at the point of entrance of the feeder to the equipment. In this specific scenario, the fryer unit requires 3 feeders. Firstly, two 125 amp 3-phase 208 volt with ground feeders. Secondly, one 100 amp 3-phase 208 volt feeder. Consequently, 3 service disconnects are required, 1 for each feeder. These service disconnects can be mounted either on the wall adjacent to the fryer unit or directly on the fryer unit itself. If the disconnects are mounted on the fryer unit, it is crucial that they are readily accessible and not situated in a hazardous area. Furthermore, the flexible connection employed between the wall junction box and the fryer unit must be specifically listed for this particular purpose. Its installation should adhere strictly to the manufacturer's provided instructions. In summary, compliance with NEC Article 422.31 mandates the installation of service disconnects for each feeder supplying the commercial fryer. Ensure proper placement, accessibility, and correct installation of the flexible connection to meet code requirements and maintain electrical safety.